All right, well, got these new wiper blades. Gonna put them on here in the parking lot because it's easy enough. You know, Advance will usually offer to do this for me, but I think I got it. Driver's side. Hold one out. Make sure you hold the arm so that it doesn't snap back. And then pull off the protective guard. It's one side done. And whenever you're getting close to the car to do this kind of work, you always want to make sure to keep your distance so your keys and your belt buckle don't scratch the paint. Basically, you have to get both sets of adapters ready so that all you can do is slide this one on, hold the arm, and slide this one on. Protective guard off. And all of this can go in the trash. Rear wipers, just as simple as the fronts. The only difference is sometimes you have to take this cover off down here so that you can get the full swing. Which in this case, we don't need. Just comes right off. This is a plastic arm with a little less tension, so we don't have to worry about it snapping back. Get the new one. Compare it to the old one. There you go. Just like that, new wiper blades.